Yeah. Roach Killer, New York City. This one's for you.
दिल तेरे तो वारांगा गीत कॉल निभावांगा
That's right.
दिल तेरे तो वारांगा
Roach Killer.
गीत कॉल निभावांगा दुनिया दी परवाह नहीं मैनू जान दी बाजी लावांगा
Yo.
यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना
That's right.
यारा
T-Dot
दिल
City
दारा
in the
तेरे
house.
नाल प्यार करना यारा
Yo.
दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार
Hey yo,
करना
the moment affects me, moment upsets me. For all the things I ever done wrong, she left me. Anytime I ever need God, she helped me. Knew about them girls, but still she kept me. But think back though to the times that we met. You was on the front lines of my eyes when you said, Matter of fact, let her style of your dress. Who would've thought, girl, that this guy would've stressed? This guy would've stressed. He'd lie and pretend, but instead of himself, he would try for his friend. Excuse me, miss, I got a friend for you. He'd take you for a walk, I was sent for you. Through the night we done chill, laugh with talking till somebody grabbed you that was acting tough. To the point I got mad like that's enough. Seen you running for the dough like damn, what's up?
दिल तेरे तो वारांगा गीत कॉल निभावांगा
That's right.
दिल तेरे तो वारांगा
Roach Killer, New York City.
गीत कॉल निभावांगा
Big
दुनिया
Apple.
दी परवाह नहीं मैनू जान दी
Here
बाजी
we go.
लावांगा
Yo,
यारा
यारा
दिल
दिल
दारा
दारा
तेरे नाल प्यार करना
यारा दिल दारा
तेरे नाल प्यार करना
Yeah.
यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना
So now you're gone, I only know your name. I'm holding on to memories, I'm going on insane. I gotta let her out, she the story of the day. You to think while she gone, I'm the only one to blame. So next up, confess up. Gotta tell her what's up, my heart is in a gridlock. So tell her that I messed up, but where to find her? Every time I breathe, yo, I see you in my dreams like every night I sleep. I'm in need, so I'm turning to a fiend. Yo, I'm looking for my love, so I'm searching for my queen. So I seen her walking to the mall, shopping with a friend, so I'm talking to them all like, how you doing, miss? Name is Roach Killer. I'm looking for the times that you headed out the door. So I let her know I'm about to set her for. I'ma love her to the death, never ever let her go.
दिल तेरे तो वारांगा गीत कॉल निभावांगा
Roach Killer.
दिल तेरे तो वारांगा गीत कॉल निभावांगा
New York City.
दुनिया दी परवाह नहीं मैं
Big up DJ Ray Khan.
दी बाजी
Gotta go like this, yo.
यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना यारा दिल दारा तेरे नाल प्यार करना
Roach Killer, thanks for stopping by today.
Thank you for having me today.
I know you recently made your U.S. debut. What is your impression of New York City and
Awesome,
our
you know.
audiences?
You know what? I actually lived in New York a long time ago.
Okay.
For like about a year. So I used to live in Queens, and then I went to Toronto. So coming back and actually performing, it was just the next level, you know.
You were spending a little time in the studio this week too?
Yeah,
Last
we were
week?
in the studio yesterday just working on a couple of ideas, laying a couple of vocals down and stuff. So, I mean, it's a journey. It never stops, you know,
Yeah.
wherever you are in the world. I mean, it's just, it's like breathing.
I know you're staying in Queens, so at least last night. Is that sort of the same neighborhood you used to live in? Or
Yeah.
Did you get some local food?
Yeah, oh yeah. You know what? As a matter of fact, I went around that, was it chicken and rice? I had that. It's dope.
I know you have a brand new track coming out February 9th, Oh Girl.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, basically what it is my forte is reggae music. That's my first love. We come from Indian cultural background as well. So what we do is put the fusion and stuff together. So in the past, what I've done is I've done mostly reggae or hip hop and stuff. So this track, what I said is, I wanted to do collaborations of all my styles in one. So it's a bit of English, a bit of reggae, and also Punjabi, where I'm kind of like, you could say it's rapping, but it's melodious rapping. So I just wanted to give them a little flavor, and it's all about the ladies, because wherever the ladies are, that's where the guys are, right? That's just how it goes.
Sure, you touched on sort of earlier a little bit about you have sort of some different things going on, or some styles, some different background. Now you have Pakistani heritage. You were born in Libya. You lived
Yeah.
there for a while. You live
Yeah.
in Toronto now.
Yeah.
How does all that kind of combine in what you're doing?
Blame my father. No, basically, my father's a doctor. Well, he's retired now, but basically he was a doctor for malaria. So back in the days, Africa had the van. I was born there. I lived there for about 10 years, and then we came here to Queens, and then moved to Toronto. So I mean, I think it's awesome for me to be able to adapt to different heritage, different cultures, and see everything where I can transition that into my music, and then that's what makes me original, because of the fact that I'm fully confused in my mind.
And in Toronto, are you part of a group of folks that are sort of building a scene, or what's the kind of?
I mean, we have Toronto in our heart,
in our mind. Anywhere I go, I represent that. So, I mean, the scene is not as strong as it could be because obviously, you know, we're right next to New York or right next to America, and it's so influential that, you know, we kind of get slept on. But the point is, you know, we have people like Drake right now, who is, I mean, I turn Hot 97 on, is Drake. I turn 105 on, is Drake. Drake is everywhere, you know what I mean? I'm sleeping, breathing Drake. So the point is, it's just the barriers have been broken, and I think a lot of people are looking into the market now. So, I mean, hopefully a lot of more artists transition into this, and hopefully, you know, even make it bigger right now. Toronto, what up?